Good morning, Adab. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal to everyone. Yesterday we started another short story of class ninth from T1 syllabus. That was Moti Gaj the Mutineer. We first part of the that story was discussed yesterday. We will recap little bit about that. And this is Desa and Moti Gaj. Desa is a drunkard person, and Moti Gaj is a mighty elephant. And he was they both work with a coffee planter, that is their employer. So Motigaj work hard, and but Desa is a drunkard person. Every evening when he came back from working very hard in day, they that drag out the stems of trees which are there in the forest. And because that coffee planter have to plant his new coffee trees, coffee plants, so that he have to remove those stems from the there. So when at evening they came back, they that this Desa drink, and he also gives one bottle of liquid to that his Motigaj. Motigaj is the elephant, is an elephant, and he's very powerful. Both love each other. This Desa and Motigaj. He also beat him with tent peg, that Desa, but Motigaj did not react. He knew that he loves me lot. So, but he's very hard working, that elephant Motigaj. What we talk that, but that every evening when he came back from work, he slept down in his feet, and also sing songs for Motigaj. So this is a drunkard person. Motigaj is his friend, and that is his domestic animal, Motigaj. And at once in a week, he take him to the bath. He washes that body, that feeds, that he check his sores and wants, and that he takes very much care of that this elephant. Desa is a person, but is a drunkard person. There is one more person from his village, Chuhun. He is also from his village, Chuhun. From his village, Desa's village. He's his neighbor. He's his villager. So one day, Desa came to that his coffee planter and requested him to send him to village, because he gave several reasons. That he said that his mother had died, and then he said that his aunt has died, and then he says that his wives are dying because of that plague in the village. Then this coffee planter called to that Chihun, his villager. Then he asked him whether he is married or not. So he said that nobody will marry him, he is a drunkard person. So coffee planter sent him back to that to work. But after that, he had one more plan, and he said to him that actually I have to drink. Give me leave for at least 10 days, so that I will get fully drunk, and then I can work again with you. Then this coffee planter is satisfied, and he said that you can leave for 10 days, but you have to give me some alternate who will work with Motigaj, your elephant. So he call upon that his villager Chihun, and Chihun came, and that Desa gave some signal to that Motigaj, that you have to work with Chihun. And Chihun is a very nice person. That he's a nice person, and he hand over his Motigaj to Chihun, and he also signal to his elephant Motigaj that you have to cooperate with Chihun. And Motigaj is also agreed, but he's hurt, deserted, but agreed to work with that Chihun. But Desa tells Motigaj to obey Chihun. तो मोतीगज को बोला कि तू चुहन को ओबे करने, तो बट he was agree that yes, I will work with Chuhun. And then 11th day, because he had taken leave for 10 days, on 11th day Desa did not return. That was something disheartening for that his elephant, because he loved him. That elephant loved Desa, and he did not want to want to live without that his owner Desa, and he was very disheartened, and he refused to work. He became mutineer because Desa had told him that I will return after 10 days, but he was so involved in drinking that he did not return on 11th day. And what happened after 11th day we will study today. Okay, right? Before the planter nodded, Desa had dived into the woods. Moti Gaj went back to dig out stems. Chihun was very kind to him, but Moti Gaj felt unhappy and lonely. Nevertheless, he worked well, and the planter wandered. Desa had wandered along the roads till he met a marriage procession of his own caste. Drinking and dancing, he lost count of days. The morning of 11th day dawned. तो ही वेंट टू मैरिज, शादी में चले गया और उतनी नाच गाने में मस्त हो गया. तो उसके बाद तो 11th डे डॉन्ड यानी 11वां दिन आ गया, एंड देयर रिटर्न नो डेसा वापस नहीं आया. तो व्हाट हैपेंड देयर? Moti Gaj was loosed from his ropes. He swung clear, locked round, shrugged his shoulders, and began to walk away as one having business elsewhere. तो पूरी तरीके से वायलेंट हो गया, पूरी तरीके से म्यूटिनी कर दी. किसने? मोती गज ने. ठीक है. हाय, ओह, कम बैक यू शॉटेड Chihun. कम बैक एंड पुट मी इन ऑन योर नेक. तो इसको बोलता वापस आओ और मुझे अपने नेक पे उठा के काम पे ले जाओ. यू विक्ट माउंटेन. गालियां भी देने लगा. रिटर्न आर आई विल बैंग एवरी टू ऑफ योर फेयर 4 फुट. तो इतना गुस्सा हो गया Chihun. मोती गज साइड जेंटली बट डिड नॉट ओबे. थोड़ा साइड हो गया, लेकिन इसकी ये हुक्म मानने वाला नहीं था, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी माइटी एलिफेंट. ठीक है. तो उसकी बात से कोई परवाह उसको नहीं थी. Chihun ran after him with a rope and caught him up. Moti Gaj put his ears forward and Chihun knew what that meant but pretended to be brave. तो जब उसको पकड़ने गया तो उसने अपने कान आगे किए. तो Chihun पता था कि ये क्या मतलब है इसका, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपने आप को बहादुर दिखाने लगा. तो उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश की. None of your nonsense with me, said he to the fields, you devil. तो बड़ा गुस्सा हो गया. You devil, हरप, said Moti Gaj, and that was all that he for bent ears. Moti Gaj strolled about the clearing, making fun of the other elephants who had just set to work. Chihun reported the state of affairs to the planter, who came out to the dog whip. Moti Gaj chased the planter, hurraping loudly till he hurrap मतलब जब elephants आवाज निकालते हैं, till he reached the veranda of his house. Then he stood outside, chuckling to himself and shaking all over with the fun of it as an elephant will. तो एलिफेंट बाहर है, उसका प्लांटर भी आ गया वो कुत्ते का पटका लेके, लेकिन उसको भी ऐसे पीछे पड़ा. वो अपने मकान के अंदर गया और शुक्र है मकान को नहीं तोड़ा, लेकिन उसके बाहर पहरा देने शुरू हो गया. तो ये जो है, उसके बाद उसने Chihun ने उसको खाना देने से मना कर दिया. तो फिर उसने इतना गुस्सा आ गया, उसने उसके लड़के को भी, his son was hijacked or that captured by that elephant. और उसका बदला ले लिया उसने एलिफेंट ने कि आपने मुझे अपना खाना जो है क्यों नहीं दिया. देखते हैं कैसे. Moti Gaj then rolled back to his inspection of the clearing. An elephant who will not work and is not tied is not unmanageable. He slapped old friends on the back and asked them if the stems were coming away easily. He talked nonsense about the rights of elephants to a long holidays and wandering to and fro. He thoroughly spoiled the garden. In the evening he returned for food. तो पूरे दिन उसने हल्ला मचाया, एक यूनियन खड़ी कर दी उधर गार्डन में भी, पूरे गार्डन को तबाह व बर्बाद कर दिया और शाम को खाना खाने के लिए वापस आ गया. तो जैसा अभी भी नहीं आया. इफ यू विल नॉट वर्क यू शैल नॉट ईट, सेट. अब Chihun को और गुस्सा आ गया. Chihun बोलता अगर तुम काम नहीं करोगे तुम खाओगे भी नहीं कुछ. यू आर अ वाइल्ड एलिफेंट. तुम डोमेस्टिक नहीं हो, पैट नहीं हो, तुम तो वाइल्ड हो. and not an educated one. Go back to your jungle. तुम जंगल वापस जाओ. Chihun little baby was rolling on the floor of the hut. Moti Gaj knew well it was the dearest thing on the earth to Chihun. तो अभी इसने क्या देखा मोतीगज ने, उसका चिहुन का लड़का वहां पे पड़ा हुआ था, तो इसको पता चल गया यही इसकी प्यारी सबसे प्यारी चीज है, इसको पता चल गया। तो उसने क्या किया, ही swung out his trunk and picked up the baby. He had lifted it up before Chihun realized what was happened. Soon the baby was crowning in the air 12 feet above his father's head. तो जब तक वो समझ पाता है इसने क्या किया, तब तक 12 फुट ऊपर इसका बच्चा टंगा दिया है अपने ट्रंक के साथ। ग्रेट लॉर्ड सेड जोन, अब ये इसके पांव पड़ने लगा। फ्लोर केक्स ऑफ द बेस्ट 12 इन नंबर, फ्लोर केक कितनी 12, 2 feet across, अभी कितना दिया 200 पाउंड्स, क्या दिया इसको, फ्रेश पाउंड्स ऑफ फ्रेश कट शुगर केन, फ्लोर केक्स 12 सोक्ड इन लिक्वर, शराब में मिला के इसको पिलाया खिलाया, फिर जाके बच्चे को छोड़ा। तो क्या हुआ, shall be yours this minute and 200 pounds of fresh cut your sugar cane. Only put down safely that smile child who is my hurt and my life. तो बोला सिर्फ मेरे इसको छोड़ दे बस बाबा। मोतीगज tucked the baby comfortably between his forefeet and waited for his food. तो उसने छोड़ दिया, बोला लाभ खाना नहीं तो दूसरा हल्ला भी करूंगा मैं भी, ठीक है। He ate it and then the baby crawled away. मोतीगज dozed and thought of देसा, अब ये नींद पड़ने लगी, डोज मतलब होता है ना थोड़ा नींद आने लगना, ठीक है, और देसा के बारे में सोचने लगा। एट डॉन, अब जब दूसरे यानी सुबह आई, सूरज चढ़ा, तो क्या हुआ, At dawn, Desa returned to the plantation. He had a lot of liquor and he expected to get into trouble for outstaying his leave. He reported for work with many lies and slangs. तो अभी बहुत सारे झूठ भी उसने जमा किए कि मैं क्यों नहीं आया। मोतीगज had gone for breakfast. Call up your beast, said the planter. तो प्लांटर बोलता अपने इस हैवान को बुलाओ, क्योंकि उसने तो पूरा हल्ला मचा के रखा था। एंड देसा shouted in the mysterious elephant language, तो उसने अपनी वो भाषा में उसको बुलाया। मोतीगज heard and came, elephants do not gallop, they move from one place to another at varying rates of speed. If an elephant wished to catch an express train, he would not gallop but he would catch the train. यानी इतनी तेजी से जो है वो दौड़ के इसके पास आए। So Motigaj was the planter's door. He fell into Desa's arm, trumpeting with joy, and the man and beast wept and slobbered over each other. अब ये इंसान और हैवान, अब कौन इंसान था कौन हैवान था, हम खुद ही वो डिसाइड करें आप कि कौन इंसान था इनमें से कौन सा हैवान था। Now we will get to work, said Desa. Lift me up, my son and my joy. Motigai swung him up, and the two went to the coffee clearing to look for difficult stumps. अब जो जितने भी मुश्किल स्टम्प्स बचे हुए थे उनको क्लियर करने के लिए ये दोनों चल पड़े। The planter was too astonished to be very angry. तो अभी आपका होम असाइनमेंट कल हमने दिया था, who was that देसा मोतीगज, होप कि आपने किया होगा। आज का होमवर्क आपके लिए है, Why did Motigaj love his master even though he would beat him sometimes? क्यों उससे वो प्यार करता था? तो डेफिनेटली वो भी उससे प्यार करता था क्योंकि वो बीट कर, उसको पता था ये मारता तो ऐसे ही है, बाद में तो ये मुझे प्यार करता है। How long was Desa to be away and how did he tell Motigaj about this? तो कितने दिन वो चले गया था, 10 दिन, और कैसे बोला था उसको, ठीक है, वो 10 बार मारा था ना उसको। What were the lies Desa tell his employer? तो अपने जो मालिक को क्या क्या झूठ बोलता था वो, कभी दादी मर गई, कभी मम्मी मर गई, कभी बीवी मर गई, ठीक है। तो वेयर डिड देसा लुक आफ्टर, हाउ डिड देसा, उसकी ख्याल कैसे रखता था मोती का, हाउ डिड देसा लुक आफ्टर मोती गज। तो वंस इन अ वीक ही टेक हिम टू दैट रिवर एंड बाथ हिम, सो दैट wash his feet, his body, and then his that rub his feet, body, and that check his sores on ears वगैरह, जितना पूरा चेक करता। हाउ डिड मोतीगज बिड देसा गुड बाय, उसको कैसे गुड बाय करता था, वो ट्रंक में उठाता था ना, ठीक है, तो लिखना आपने। वाई डिड मोतीगज बिकम म्यूटिनियर, अब ये बगावत क्यों की इसने, ठीक है। वाई हाउ डिड मोतीगज रिएक्ट टू देसाज रिटर्न, जब वो वापस आया ना तो उसको बुलाया तो तेजी से गाड़ी की तरह दौड़ के भाग के आया, फिर उसको कैसे गले मिला वो, ठीक है, कैसा रिएक्ट किया। वाई वाज चिहुन एंग्री विद मोतीगज, चिहुन क्यों गुस्सा हुआ था मोतीगज से। तो हाउ डिड मोतीगज रिएक्ट ऑन हिज रिमार्क्स, तो जब उसने उसको गाली शाली दी ना तो उसके साथ क्या हुआ, तो शायद आप कभी भूलेंगे नहीं वो कि क्या हुआ, ना चिहुन भूलेगा। तो आपने इनके आंसर लिखने हैं, छोटे छोटे शार्ट करके आपने बुक में से देखकर, जो आपने समरी पढ़ी है उसमें से देखकर निकाल के पढ़ने। सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर स्टेइंग विद अस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।